is now Saturday. We took a walk. It's fairly chilly today, so I'm very happy about that. I was just giving Woody cuddles because he looked so cute on the made bed. The kids have been playing the new expansion or whatever for Halloween for Animal Crossing, so that's what they've been doing. Adam's taking a nap, and I think I'm gonna go wake up my sourdough. I did not want to start my bread baking until it had cooled off, which has only happened as of like today. Okay, so I fed my starter and it's in a pretty warm water bath. So we're going to see if that kind of perks it up faster, and maybe, just maybe, I'll get really lucky and it will wake up in time for me to do a loaf of bread tonight.
Poor baby. What are you guys doing out there? How dare you? Dada! How dare you? Why did you leave without me? I had to look out the window to find you. Oh, I was so worried. Dee did, I was so worried. Yes, I was. Turkins wasn't worried. She's okay with it. I meant to mention the other day I have another progress keeper from Becca Jan on Etsy. It's this little wooden toadstool and I love it, and I finally finished the cuff so I can put it on my Lola socks. Her work is so cute. This stitch marker I made, I just use it to keep track of where the lace starts, and when I'm not using it I hook it with the mushroom. Adam and I are going to have a late supper tonight. We're going to do loaded baked potatoes. I have 3 different flavors I do. I do a red pepper onion, a broccoli onion, and like white cheese, and then sometimes I'll do a bacon jalapeno. Yeah, that's what we're going to do. The kiddos are going to be going to bed here in the next hour or so, which is about the time that our food will be done.
long are you gonna look at it? It's an old house, it's not gonna close all the way.
It's not for you. Not for you.
Well, yeah.
So Adam is taking a bathroom break. So I was going to show you what I got done of Nezuko so far. And they're going to look really nice next to each other. But good night for now, and I'll show you the finished product soon. Bye.